Senator, will we ever see anything approaching Medicare for all in our lifetime?
Oh, I don't know. I guess it depends on how long we're all going to live. I do think if the Democrats win the White House next November, I do think you'll see, and frankly, if the Supreme Court puts the nail in the coffin of the ACA, then I do think health insurance will end up being the issue of the 2020 campaign. I think it will, because the Republicans have pushed to get rid of all of the ACA, including the protections that Americans hold dear now, especially for pre-existing conditions. So I think that you'll have enough votes to get some kind of program that would be a public option. And if it's done right, people will flock to the public option, and that will make the transition to Medicare for all politically possible. But for somebody who went around my state trying to explain that having to buy health insurance was really not the government putting a boot on your neck, it was about making sure that everybody took responsibility so that you didn't end up paying higher bills in your work insurance. It's really hard when people hear the government's going to tell you what you can get. And that's what the political problem is, and that's why I think Medicare for all in the short term is unrealistic.
Jason.
Once the election happens, if Donald Trump gets reelected and the Supreme Court guts the ACA, it will be the most important issue in 2024. Democrats will take over everything in the next midterm elections, and they will win the presidency in 2024. People can complain about the ACA all they want, but if it gets snatched from everybody's pockets and their homes, the suffering across this country will be immense.
Well, I think a lot of Republicans in the Senate actually realize that. They don't quite know what to do about it.
Well, I mean,
but they realize
we've had bloodhounds out for a replace. I mean, bloodhounds have searched the closets, under the desk. There is no replace. They have no replace. They've been saying it for years now. They have nothing. They got nothing to replace it with.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.